Welcome to Breaking Crypto News. How much time required and what needs to happen for Terra Classic, LUNC, to reach $1 price point? As we start the news about Terra Luna, please don't forget to now subscribe to get the next Terra Luna news. Is Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, to $1 realistic? Although pundits like Michaël van de Poppe of Eight Global have asserted that LUNC cannot clinch the $1 price point, the LUNC community continues to sell and run on that dream, so it begs the question, is LUNC to $1 realistic or just a pipe dream sold by crypto degens to shill their bags? To find our answer, we go to the coin perspective to put things in perspective. The data shows that LUNC can clinch the $1 price point under two conditions. The first condition is that LUNC achieves a market cap of $6.9 trillion, nearly 7 times the entire crypto market cap. On the other hand, the second condition is for LUNC to get back to a total supply of $40 billion. While the first case is very unlikely, as the project will have to build an economy capable of surpassing the GDP of Japan, the third highest in the world, the second one looks like it can be a function of time. So the question becomes how long it will take to burn 6.86 trillion LUNC, equivalent to 99.42% of the total supply at a burn rate of 1.2%. While the volume of LUNC being burned appears high today, it is because the asset has a high volume and low price, which means a lot of LUNC can be burnt at little cost. However, increased burns will likely increase the price, reducing the volume burned exponentially. Let's say LUNC gets back to a $40 billion market cap. So for the LUNC price to reach $1, the Terra Classic supply has to be reduced 99% from 6.9 trillion to 40 billion, which a 1.2% burn rate can do, but in how much time? Reddit user u/squatchy says, if the float is the regular coins that a company has issued to the public available for investors to trade, decay exponentially by using the rule of 72 divided by 1.2 is equal to 60, so the float will have when the on-chain volume reaches 60 times the float. It will take about 7 halvings to get to the 99%. It is reasonable for the float to turn over every 3 to 10 days, so realistically we are looking at somewhere in the range of 3 to 9 years before that much, 99% of supply is burned. Another Reddit user, u/CSS token, calculates, if on-chain volume remains about 100 B 200 B LUNC every day, around 3 B LUNC will be burned daily on average. So in 1 year, almost 1 trillion will be burned if it stays constant for a year. So by burning 1 T LUNC per year, it will take 6 to 7 years to reach a $40 billion market cap and $1 LUNC price. So for Terra Classic, LUNC, to reach $1, the coin approximately needs 7 to 8 years for a 1.2% burn rate to burn through 99% of the current supply. Consequently, the best bet for the community to reach the milestone of a $1 LUNC and $40 billion supply within a decade is to keep the asset price low and provide incentives for users to carry out on-chain transactions at high volumes. However, it bears mentioning that this logic could be thrown out the window in a bull market. Last Tuesday, Sentiment Feed noted that LUNC's price movement and trading volume closely resemble that of Dogecoin in its run-up to 80 cents. However, this could also imply that it may be doomed to face the same fate with a subsequent price crash. Notably, the latest burn initiative by the community, the 1.2% tax burn proposal on on-chain transactions, has received support from Terraform Labs, confirming that it will go live on September 20th. While this is geared towards driving down supply, a new proposal by Max Callisto to re-enable inter-blockchain communication (IBC) could help incentivize decentralized DApp development and interaction, even as Prism Protocol considers coming back to the Terra Classic network. LUNC is currently trading at the $0.000328 price point, down 19.9% in the last 24 hours. Thanks for watching. See you in the next Terra Luna news. Please do not forget subscribe. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice. Financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.